Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning skills, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a type handwriting effect like this. So all you just need to do, I'm going to use an inshot app. You can use any other app that has similar feature like inshot. Then I'm going to click on video, new project. I'm going to click on blank, then import it. This is very much important. Then I'm going to precise the time. I'm going to put up to, let's say, 12 seconds, like that. I'm going to choose the background for my video. I will choose this background, or you can just choose any of the background that is going to fit you. I will choose that background, then I click OK. Then the next thing that we need to do, I'm going to put text. The text that I'm going to write here, I'm going to write the word welcome to e-learning skills. So I'll write the word W. Then here is the trick about it. I will resize it to the end to fit the clip. Then the trick about it is that you see, before the word you have to split this word. So I will do like this, click on split. After click on split, click edit, then I write the next word like that, click OK. Then also again I click on split, edit, the next word, OK, split. After that, then here is the final result, and then you can import or add the typewriting effect audio.